Today, we will discuss how to resolve the issue where a user's Active Directory Object GUID attribute value, which by default is mapped to Okta's external ID, also known as the Object GUID, does not match the value in Active Directory. This mismatch occurs because Okta converts the hexadecimal value of a user's Object GUID into Base64. As a result, the value displayed in Okta is the same as the AD value, but in Base64 format. First, let's take a look at the format of the attribute within Active Directory. The Object GUID is displayed in hexadecimal. Now within Okta, the Object GUID is displayed but is displayed in Base64. We can use PowerShell commands to convert the Base64 value to hexadecimal format. Open PowerShell and use the following command. GUID convert from Base64 string and enter the Base64 value. When we check in Active Directory, you can see the Object GUID value is the same. Now, if you want to convert the hexadecimal value to Base64, we can use the following PowerShell commands. Convert to Base64 string, GUID new, enter the Object GUID value, ToByteArray. We see that the value returned is the Base64 value. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.